Hey everyone, welcome to Matt's Lockpit. So I'm on a bit of a roll today. As you can see there from my last video. Well, by the time it's not the last video yet, I haven't even uploaded it yet. But it will be my last video. Here we have the challenge lock from Leon's Lockpad. Haven't even put it back together yet. Basically got too curious and started picking on Pandora, which is number 2. Lock from Gavin Bilby, boybilbo81 on YouTube. Very cool. It says key works but needs a jiggle. I haven't looked at the key yet. This is the key. We got a very cool neon green key with it. So yeah, as you can just see, I've just picked this little bugger. So seeing as I'm on a bit of a roll, Pandora on the side, number 2. I thought, seeing as I'm on a roll, I'll lock it back up and see if I can do it again straight away. I don't really remember what I did, if I'm honest with you, so I don't think it's going to be too quick of a pick. As you can see, it is locked up. But yeah, I probably won't upload this video for a few days. But whilst the lock gods are in my favour, I'll try and take the opens while they're there, to be honest, guys. So I'm going to start straight at the back. I'll say thank you, Gavin, for sending me this lock. Sorry about the interruption, guys. Made the dickhead error once again of not turning my phone to airplane mode. But could have been up waste time, I suppose. Only just started picking. So as you can see, it's locked up. And let's crack back on. So I'm using the Attila. Go to the back there. 4, 3. It's quite stiff. Little click off 3. Big click off 2, which gave me a full set. Very nice. Nothing on 1 there. It's quite hard getting to that pin 5. Big counter rotation there. I'm not sure whether that's off 4 or 5, if I'm honest. I believe it's 4. Let's go to the back again. Yeah, it's a bit fun at the back of this lock. Nothing on 5. Yeah, that's definitely open off 4. There we go. I'll take that. Brilliant stuff. As you can see, it is in focus. You can see it is open. Very cool. So as we got the key, we'll lock it back up. And yeah, my favourite part. I love unbandaging keys, guys. You get a real good kick off it. You have to be careful with this one. As I said, it's a nice neon green key. But shame to scratch it up. Oh, that was very, very fun lock, Gavin, my friend. As I said in my unboxing video, I just had a package from Gavin. Check him out, guys. Very cool guy. I thought the key felt funny. It's cling from under it, you sneaky bugger. Didn't want me feeling through, did you? Yeah, check him out on YouTube, guys. Everyone who hasn't, boybilbo81. He's recently just got married, so he hasn't actually put up a video for a little while. but I'm sure it won't be long and he'll be back on track. Look at that green key, guys, and that's savage bitten. Focus. There we go. Very menacing. Cool. So you said it works, but it needs a jiggle. Well, let's have a look. Oh, it doesn't even really need a jiggle, to be honest, mate. Very well done. That's fluent. Can't argue with that. Can't see why the focus is bloody flaring up. Works beautiful, my friend. Very nicely done. So let's get this thing gutted, see what goodies we got inside, hey? Right, so let's circle it. Alright, how... Oh, no, they're right next to me. It's about to kick off then. I've literally just gutted a lock less than an hour ago. And I thought I'd lost my circlet pliers. That sort of shit happens to me all the time. You'll have to excuse if you can hear my little boy in the other room. He's only a little baba, coming up 2. And when he gets tired and he doesn't want to go to sleep, he goes mental. He's very funny. Let's get a shim in this bad boy. Not worth the risk. Oh, don't you just... Ooh. Don't you just love it when a shim goes in nice and easy? That's quite a long cylinder, that is. Literally ate all my shim, look. Oh well, I'm sure we'll be fine. Well, I know we'll be fine, don't worry, guys. Very cool. Focus. Little bastard. There we go, we can see everything needed to be picked. The front was an overset trap. Very cool. So, keeping 1, we have a long standard. Number 2, we have a steel standard. Number 3, we have another long standard. 4, another long standard, and 5, another standard. Cool. Get these into the right positions to start with. Right, so let's start at the front of this and see what drivers we got, guys. Very fun lock, Gavin. Thank you so much for sending it to me, my friend. Right, so first we've got a cool it's like a spool but tapers upwards like mushroom almost. Nice. For number 2. Whoa, you're long, my friend. Very nice long spool. God, I haven't got the springs out. Forgot the springs. Right, pin 1, well, spring 1, we've got a little steel spring. And number 2 looks to be copper. Yeah, it looks like a copper spring to me. Get off my pick. Cool, so let's see what driver 3 holds for us. Another spool. Very cool. See what we got spring wise for number 3. Number 3 doesn't want to come out right this second. I'll get him in a little bit. So driver number 4 we have. Ooh, he's nice. Very nice spool with a thin top and a fat bottom. Nice. Alright, and spring 4. Spring 4 doesn't want to come out right this second. I'll have a look in a minute. Ooh, driver number 5's just popped out. And we have a spool. Very cool. So let's have a quick look and see if I can get these springs out. I'm going to leave them in there if I'm honest with you guys. They want to stay there, so there's no point disrupting them. No work done to the core. Right, very cool. So I'll come down and give you a close-up of that, guys. Nice little selection of spools there, Gav. Fair play. So as I said, everyone, check him out. boybilbo81 on YouTube. Very cool channel. As I said, I'm sure he's going to get around to posting some more content soon. I know he has been busy at the moment, getting married and whatnot, so I suppose that's a fair excuse. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you all soon with another picking video. Bye now.